Good morning, teacher. My name is Sandra Milena Ardila Sandoval. Task 4. Reported speech. Albert Bandura. Albert Bandura said he would do the Pacifier experiment to see the behavior of the children. He wondered if the violent behavior released the tension. Then Freud said he did not know that this technique was called catharsis. However, he said that the experiment sought to demonstrate that children learn in social environments. Bandura said that through observation and imitation, the children will explore their emotional development. However, Albert mentioned that the experiment with the 3 groups of children will show the veracity of the proposal. In the first group, modeled the adults hearing the pacifier doll. The second group, participation by observation, affectionation, action with the pacifier doll, and the third group did not observe any action. Finally, he deduced with the previous result that indeed children learn by observation and imitation. As a conclusion, Bandura announced that in the first group, the children came on with aggressivity with their environment. In the second group, the children acted very calm and companionable, and in the third group, the children did not have any shame. Bandura wondered when society would contribute to children and confirmed that learning is generated from the womb. Therefore, they requested that they would not generate negative environments with inappropriate acts for the formation of children. Albert Bandura said that this method will be very useful in teachers' training. He said that his contribution in pedagogy will be vital for teaching because he affirmed that without motivation, there is no interest in doing anything. And finally, Albert Bandura affirmed that learning is a social because it involves the community. Goodbye.